we were talking about monsters. Starting with simple monster stories. What you call a witch. What is witch? So witch is a female. She is old. She mixes some herbals. She does some magics. She gives you something to drink to make you fall in love or cure your sickness or make you beautiful. Because these are the things that people want. Another monster story is vampires. Vampires did occur during an Ottoman Empire fight. Dracula, that's where the vampires came from, the myth. Another one, werewolves, is a story that told to kids for them to not go out during the night and some special nights, moonlight. So that was one of them. Creation of the monster. There are various ways to create a monster. Most of them we have it from the Greek mythology. Let's talk about the Medusa. What Medusa look like? She has snake on her hair, and what she does is that like one glint, one stare, one look on her eye makes you a statue, a rock statue. This is interesting because like this is her powers. She, with one look, you freeze. Medusa has snake on her hair. Instead of hair, she has snakes, all these snakes. So snake is actually like is a good creation at this point, because like if you're creating this monster, if you're the writer of this monster, you would actually know such thing. I mean, I did talk about monsters and how they created. They're mostly about society and their values along with Medusa. So they don't want males to look at females, right? I mean, you should not today as well. Like if you're disturbing females by looking at them for a long time and you freeze, then it's not cool. Like, yeah, you should not do that. That's creepy. Creation of monsters are more of a societal thing than internal. It's more about keeping the values and stuff. I like one monster the most. I like this one because it actually symbolizes something. Hydra. What Hydra is one of the monsters that Hercules did fight and win. So it's a dragon that symbolizes your issues, actually, your psychological state. Because every time that you're dealing with an issue, the personal issue, such as, I don't know, you say, I want to quit cigarette. You want to do something with your life, right? You want to go to the gym, you want to do your work on time, you want to sleep, you want all these wishes. So Hydra does. It has all these heads that are connected to one body. It has all these enemies, right? What do? That's the interesting part. You take a sword, right? And you cut one head, right? What did you do? You quit smoking. Then what happens to Hydra? It grows another 2. So what do? You cut those again, and it grows 4 of them. So here's the interesting part. You are actually fighting the wrong place. That's what it says, right? You are fighting with where you should fight with, where you should put your sword in. The body. Right? Because it has the heart there. That's where you put it. So the most of the issues that you're facing today goes down to some main other issues that you might think, okay, so you are fighting with quitting smoking, right? Maybe it has something to do with your dad. I don't know. You said you told your dad that you should quit and he didn't. And that took a place in your memory data, right? So he won the war in you. That is all for today. And now that I talked about psychology a bit and monsters and gods, I love monsters and god stories and how these things occurred throughout the history. I'm so interested in them. But what I also like is that humans, which I am not one, I'm a reptile.